Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in this ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. I'm working at the second edition of this ebook. As soon as I have accomplished it, I will make it available to you. It will not only take a few days. Till I have completed. You see, I'm working all the time on this ebook. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts like market condition, trend identification, and rejection, and last but not least, the mindset series. Get this ebook. This ebook is for free. You'll find the link in the description. So let me see. This video shows now I tried to cover some other concepts in this video, live trading explanation video. When I see this happening, what I've tried to explain, else I will show you how I manage my trades, which are based on those things which I have explained in this ebook. So let me see if I can show you some trades now. So this looks here some kind of uptrend. Yes, it's looking uptrend, but here we have some kind of consolidation area. Yes, you see how price is doing here, the zigzag. If we get another shoulder, we have here a mini head and shoulders, which would be a sign that it might be go down. Yes, but we are not trading our opinions. Yes, we have to trade objective, and that means we have to get some confidence that this what I think is happening really, else we avoid a trade. So let me see, we are still in this consolidation area, and it's looking a little bit more like an uptrend now. We got here already above the 20 EMA. We got a few rejections here from the 20 EMA, and that shows me that we might get higher. Yes, this here looks like a second shoulder. Yes, it looks like a second shoulder, but we need maybe this one here should be the neckline of this head and shoulders here at this level. So let's see what this market price is doing. Yes, if this will be really a double head and shoulders here. You have here one shoulder, we are creating here a second shoulder, yes, and then it could be go down, yes. So we have to be okay, we are not going down, so the head and shoulders pattern looks a little bit distract. So okay, let me see, long talks. Now we are going to break out here. Yes, it's going to break out from this level. So I would do a call on the next candle if I get a rejection from this level here. Yes, if I get on the next candle a rejection, because this is a spinning top. Yes, and I have explained in the ebook how to trade the spinning top. If I get a rejection from this level here, right, I'm going to do a call. Okay, I'm going to do a call now because I'm pretty much sure that we are finishing above. That is how you have to trade the spinning top. And you will see how this will go in the money because we got a rejection from this level. The spinning top shows indecision, yes, and that is the reason why I did the call. And that will be, for me, in my opinion, sure in the money because of the spinning top, which shows high volatility, yes, because we have here long wicks and because we got a rejection from this, shows me that here are coming in the buyers, and that's the reason why I was so sure that this will be in the money. So let's see, another 4 seconds. Okay, and this is also explained in the ebook. The ebook shows you how to trade the spinning top. Yes, you wait till the one edge is till the one edge gets penetrated by the price, and after it got a rejection from this other side, you enter into a trade. And then this is how you trade the spinning top. I will show you this again here in this ebook, so you understand what I mean. So let me see, because I try to show you always all trades, and I try to explain them as much as possible, but sometimes things are to you not so clear, and I'm asking myself, what I can do to explain this better. So let me see. Where do we have this spinning top? Oh, this is loading here so long. We see spinning top here. This might be this one here. Yes, so spinning top here. This spinning top here, doji, the same thing. You wait, like you see here. This is a rejection arrows, yes. This was here, this rejection which I have traded, yes. You have the spinning top, yes, and then when you get a rejection from this area here, from the one of those edges, or from this area here, yes, you're gonna do a put or a call, yes, and that is what I have done now in this trade. I showed you this how I have traded this spinning top and how you have to trade the spinning top, and you will see not in so much other videos from me. You will see that I trade the spinning top always the same kind of manner. Yes, I wait till one of those edges is penetrated, and then I'm gonna enter into the opposite trade. So let me see, this will be a put now. If I get a rejection here from here above part, so I have a better entry point, I have some kind of margin of safety, yes. And okay, I'm going to put now because I understood that we are heading down, and that will be for me also in the money for sure, yes, because now it's going up down like an evening star, yes, and that is how you have to trade the evening star, and I have showed this also in this ebook. After this trade, I'm gonna explain you this also in the ebook where I have explained this, because and then you understand how you have to trade this kind of example here, yes, because you have seen in the last few seconds of this candle, the price was pressed down by the sellers, yes, and that was for me the indication that I can expect on the next candle something like this. So let's see how I can show you this. You look at this, you got a rejection here from this level, it was above. I waited for a margin of safety. So let me see if I can show you this in this ebook again, so you understand how important this ebook is. If you understand those things which I have explained in the first edition of this ebook, you can understand also all the other things which are coming after in the second edition. So try to get all those things watched, all the videos watched, which I have explained in the first edition of the ebook. Yes, so you can handle all the stuff which I have explained in the second edition. And I have done to every kind, to find here above, always the video. So here we have it. So this was the evening star, yes, it was this one. And I can here add, you see, this is what I have to justify. Because here I had to do another line. This was the resistance area, but I can also say this one here, yes, this area could be also, if this will be also, yes, you can enter also into a put, yes, if you, because it depends on the wicks which the previous candles have, yes. If this is a long wick, yes, this is a long wick, you can use this one, yes, on the halfway. Yes, but if it's only a short wick like this one here, yes, above the wick, yes, you can do this in this manner. And this is why I have to review all the time all those things which I have explained, yes, which so I can explain it a little bit better, yes, because this is how you have to trade this, yes. You have to use also a little bit your own brain, yes, to understand the logic behind this, yes, and because you see, I missed on some kind things, I missed those things, those small things, yes. Okay, so let me see if I can show you another trade based on those things. So this would be a call. I missed this call. Yes, this is one. Okay, I'm going to do a call now because this is one of my favorite trading styles, candlesticks. Yes, this is the inverted bullish hammer. This inverted bullish hammer after such a downtrend, minor downtrend, is for me almost a good entry point, trading entry point. And I'm going to show you this also in the ebook, yes, and explain you how I did it. You see, we got here, you can see this, we got here to the half of this candle, yes, and that is what I have explained in the ebook, yes. So I'm going to show you this now. Let me see if I can show you this. It was an inverted hammer, yes, inverted bullish hammer. So, and with these things which I have explained in my ebook, in the first edition, yes, the second edition will come as soon as I have accomplished this. You are able to get money out of the market, yes. You have only to apply those things which I have explained in the ebook. Here we have it. So here we have the inverted hammer, the inverted bullish hammer, and you see here, yes, how I have this. The expectation of this inverted bullish hammer is a call. Yes, and you see I have done a call, and I have waited till the half of this candlestick, and if you get a rejection on the half of this candlestick, you do a call. You do not do a put here, yes. You can do a put if it goes below this level here, below the opening price. Then you can do a put. And that I have explained in this video about the hammer, inverted hammer. And you have to listen to those things which I have explained in this ebook and on the videos related. Yes, that is important. I have done related videos to this ebook. Watch the videos which are related to this so you understand, because everything what I have drawn here, I have explained why I do this, yes, and this is the reason because what I tried to explain you, yes, and this is in live trading. You see now how I apply this. I wait till it got to the half of this, got a rejection from this level here, yes, this one, and then I entered into a call, yes, so easy. And you see it was in the money. Obviously, you have also to understand a little bit the concept, the context. You see here this was a downtrend, yes, and after such a downtrend, such an inverted bullish hammer is often a reversal signal, and that's the reason why I entered into this call. So I would say this was enough for the moment. I have to do a lot of more videos. I plan some more educational stuff which are about some really important things. So deep explanation videos, I don't know when I will do this, but I have to do first of all much more live trading examples to explain you much more why I enter into any trade, to make it more clear to you, because I have understood that mostly of you try to apply those things which I explain. If you are going really good, yes, I'm really happy about this. They are doing profit, and I read also in the Facebook group that they are gaining. Yes, that's really nice. I'm really happy when I see that people are gaining money out of those things which I explain. Yes, but I want that you all get money out of the market and that you all understand the concepts. And you have to obviously to practice. Yes, try to practice. Try to apply those things which I have explained in my ebook, which I have explained in my videos. Yes, try to get this done with the purchase time, expiry time, and I will give you the knowledge to conquer the market. So I would say this was enough for the moment. I would say also if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe, and if you have something to say, let me there a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you and to answer your questions. And so I would say stay safe and bye-bye.